I'm at the flip right now. I had to swing by here to get a few more clips and images because this is the last day that we have it staged. Tomorrow they're coming to pick up all the furniture. So I'm just like so worried that I'm like forgetting to get some images that I need to get because I'm still editing all this footage. The inside is obviously where it really needed some love. If you remember, it was like, it smelled, there was stains everywhere on the walls, on the floor. It was terrible. And the inside now, you can't even recognize this house. And while I'm here, I will walk you through the first floor up close so you can see everything. And then later this week, I will show you the remainder, upper level and lower level of the house. So let's see it. So first off, the staging in here is so good. I am obsessed with all of this furniture. So what did we do to this space? We added some new flooring. This flooring is from Dur Decor. I absolutely love this color. This is the Cliffside Tan. And then we added this board and batten right when you walk in with these hooks. These are from Amrock. I love them. And we used all of the hardware in the house is all from Amrock. So even all of the cabinets are that same brushed bronze, which we love. We added a new front door with new trim. And then we added this archway right here because this used to be a closet. Added this built-in, installed this butcher block top, and then 2 floating shelves. And I've had some questions about custom cabinetry. We did not do custom cabinetry. You can see like right here is a seam. We did some filler pieces. So everything looks custom, but technically is not. We added some new stair treads. Again, those are from Dur Decor. You can see here, there's like this little lip that just goes over the tread itself. And then that's the flooring. And then we added the back pieces. So they're a little scuffed up. I'm gonna clean those up before our tenants move in. And then additionally, we painted the ceilings. We had to use some kills because they were looking rough. And we added some can lights in here, added a new fixture over here, and then we added 2 pendants. And then if you remember, there used to be a wall right here that we took down. So we obviously filled the drywall, patched the ceiling, and then added all new cabinets. For the cabinets, the biggest thing was that we needed to try to get as much cabinet space as possible. They honestly did not have a ton of space to begin with when we got the house. So before, they just had some lower cabinets here. They had some upper cabinets. Their fridge was over here, and then they had a stove here. So they had like no cabinets. So actually it did help to take down the wall because now we have cabinets here. We have some cabinets here, and we have a trash pull out there. The 2 upper cabinets, they have cabinets above the fridge. Stove is then in the island. And then in addition to that, we also put cabinets on the front of the island. So they have 3 additional cabinets for storage. And then this is probably my favorite. So for the kitchen area, we added this little kitchen nook. Again, more storage. They could use these to store stuff or for pantry. So we love that that's on either side. And then down below, we actually have some cabinets down here too.